Fair McCoy here on the Voice of Hauraki. Ko te reo Hauraki na iwi FM. It is the
Aye.
hustle. But I'll tell you what we're going to do because we're just having a kōrero Reha and I in regards to song titles, how we would name our songs, but also around the top 10 best song titles of all time.
Alright, whānau, and number one on that list was the song by the one and only David Bowie, known as Heroes.
Yep.
I know the chorus, but I don't know the verses, everyone.
Alright, while this is doing the karaoke version, it's time to bring back our Waiata winner day, bro.
Are you starting or am I
I
starting?
want to sing it together, bro.
Okay,
We've
let's
never
go
done
with
this
it.
song. We haven't had any Prakatiki.
Here we
Four,
go.
toru, rua, tahi. I.
Oh, find the note.
I
I
wish
wish
you
I
could-
could swim.
Oh.
I'm tired, bro.
Is it? Like the dolphins!
Here it is.
The dolphins can swim!
I'll go low. Do
Nothing, nothing will keep us together. We can beat them forever and ever.
Oh, we're flat now. We're at the garage party. We
A
can be
weekly heroes, just for one day.
Leave the night. Oh. Maybe we should have had a practice saying.
Nah, we're all good, bro.
Are you sure?
It's like getting on the stage at the local. Get up there. Someone nominates you for a song, you just get up there.
I
and
mean,
sing, bro.
Antarana's in my mind. Here we go. Let's put you
Do
up.
it. Tahi. I will be king.
You stay on low, I'll go high.
And you will be queen.
No, not me, you.
No, nothing will drive them away. We can be heroes
Alright.
just for one day. We can be us
Okay.
just for one day. I can remember
We're at the pub.
standing by the wall
Oh, we're flat.
and the guns shot above our heads
I don't know how to read.
and we kiss.
Mwah.
Is there nothing good for?
Oh.
And the shame was on the other side.
Chorus.
Oh, we can beat them forever and ever.
Oh,
Oh, and then we can be heroes just for one day.
we can be heroes. Oh, nothing. Okay. Oh, yeah.
We can be heroes. We're back. We're back, and we'll do it again next Wednesday too, bro. Hey,
Can
next
I pick
Wednesday.
the song next week?
Oh, we'll get Jack to pick a song.
Oh, no. I'll pick
Hey, we'll put it back on our Facebook and get the whānau and pick a song. Hey, pick anything
Okay,
you want,
hapai.
and then you can pick one. Then we'll do New Zealand Music Month.
Choice.